After 6 years of mostly unchanged Windows 10, the world's most popular desktop operating system is getting a dramatic makeover with the release of Windows 11. Despite the fact that Microsoft has declared Windows 10 to be the final version of the operating system, this isn't the case. Whatever the case may be, the Windows-using world, at least portion of it, now has something to get excited about after a couple of years of drab updates. Windows 11 brings a lot of new code to your PC, including a new UI, new widgets, a redesigned start menu, and more. But does it slow down, or, opposite, speed up, your computer? To discover out, we conducted a few benchmarks. Let's find out together after this little break. Microsoft made early Windows 11 updates available via its Windows Insider program a week after its first major announcement, and we've spent quite a few hours testing it out. In More Like Tech channel, we covered in the previous videos for how to install Windows 11 in 2 different ways. Check the right top corner to check these videos. Windows 11 will undoubtedly be a fantastic operating system when it is delivered to the public, but it is currently a sloppy, incomplete mess. Of course, this isn't entirely unexpected. Windows 11 is currently only available in the Insider program's Dev channel. Release Preview, Beta, and Dev are the 3 Insider channels. Dev is roughly equivalent to a software alpha, and Microsoft characterizes it as the newest code, with rough edges and occasional instability. We'll use many of our usual benchmarks to demonstrate how Windows 11 performs in the graphs below, using Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus tablet as a testbed. Our Windows 10 scores represent the performance of the Surface Pro 7 Plus at the time of our evaluation. We ran performance tests on Windows 11 build 22000.65, which restores the Power Mode, also known as a performance slider, to the operating system. On both Windows 10 and Windows 11, we've highlighted the Power Mode results by outlining those bars in black. With one exception, Windows 11 looks to be slightly slower than Windows 10 at this moment, while the differences aren't statistically significant. As Microsoft improves the code for final release, we expect Windows 11 performance to increase as well. Remember, we're comparing a Windows 11 preview build against completed Windows 10 code. The PCMark 10 test suite from UL is the first on the list. PCMark 10 mimics common tasks such as office work, online browsing, and even some gaming and CAD. Although the Windows 11 beta is a little slower, the results are nearly identical. We utilize the free Handbrake application to transcode a video for an Android tablet to stress the CPU for a longer period of time. We noticed some unusual findings, so we repeated each benchmark several times to be sure. The results suggest that Windows 11 struggled with this demanding test, as demonstrated in the graphs below. Finally, we tested graphics performance with UL's 3D Mark Time SPY benchmark. In this case, Windows 11 produced outcomes that were similar to those of Windows 10. According to one popular opinion, Windows 11 is mostly a graphical update to Windows 10. Performance appears to mirror this, with the exception of one poor Handbrake result. It's time to return to reality. Windows 11 is also touted by Microsoft executives as being quicker, more battery efficient, and better for multitasking than Windows 10. Customers will get the best experience with Windows 11 if they use new, modern hardware, while it may still operate on many older PCs. We expect Windows 11 to be a desirable upgrade from 10 once the issues are fixed, an upgrade of roughly the same scale as the one from Windows 7 to Windows 10. It's unlikely that any of 11's new capabilities will perplex many users, but they may require a little more assistance in discovering them in the first place. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. I hope you all had a good time. Remember to subscribe for more content. It was More Like Tech who brought you this. See you later.